Good morning, dear students. I hope that you all are happy and healthy. Today, the topic is Lucknow Pact. What was Lucknow Pact? Why this pact was signed? First of all, I would like to inform you that what was Lucknow Pact. Actually, Lucknow Pact was an agreement between the Congress and the Muslim League. Means both parties signed a common charter. Both parties signed a common charter. Means both are make their plan on the common basis, on the common platform. Means Lucknow, after the Lucknow Pact, again Congress and Muslim League both are meet together and fight against the British government. First of all, we will discuss why that this was happened. What was the needs for the Muslim League? Why the Muslim Leagues again come and meet to the Congress leader. So first of all, Lucknow Pact was signed by the Congress and the Muslim League in 1916. What was Lucknow Pact? Lucknow Pact was an agreement. It brought the unity between the Muslim League and the Congress. What was reason? First, international events. International events. Which type of international events? You know very well, in 1914, June 1914, the First World War is going on. During that time, so many weapons, so many strategy, so many types of memorandum prepared by the British against Turkey. And that time, the Khalifa was Turkey, considered as the religious teacher of the Muslim in whole world. Means the Khalifa of Turkey considered as the head of the Muslim leader in the whole world. When the Britishers used the policy of the anti-Turkey, means anti-Turkey policy used by the Britishers, it was against the Muslim society. So many Muslims in the world criticized the British policy, and that time Indian Muslim also criticized the policy of the Britishers, and they demand to the British again return the old status of the Khalifa of Turkey. The Britishers promised them, after the war we again return the status of Turkey and again return the status of Khalifa, but the promise is not complete by the Britishers. So the finally after the First World War, the Indian Muslims criticized the policy of the Britishers, and they again demand the return the old status of Khalifa of Turkey. So the international events, First World War, this is the first reason for the Lucknow Pact, because so many Muslims, so many types of demand prepared by the Muslim groups and forward to the Britishers. Second, I hope that it is clear. It is clear, international events, the First World War, the Khalifa of Turkey is the main reason. National events, so many national events also happened during that time. Means from, if we see that from 1905 to 1911, so many national events is also happened. First of all, if you know that in 1905, Lord Curzon divided the partition Bengal into two parts, East Bengal and West Bengal. Lord Curzon also give the arguments. When the Lord Curzon participate the Bengal, then he give the arguments that we want to improve the condition of Muslim society. We want to remove the backwardness of the Muslim society. But in 1911, the partition of Bengal annulled by the Britishers. इसको कैंसिल कर दिया गया। बंगाल के पार्टीशन को 1911 तक आते आते अंग्रेजों ने फिर खत्म कर दिया। सो द मुस्लिम ग्रुप्स and Muslim society was shocked, and this is the golden opportunity for the some Muslim leader like that Shaukat Ali, Muhammad Ali, Abul Kalam Azad. They all are met together and use this golden opportunity to again unite the Muslim society and fight against the British government. Okay, means national events is also very important reason, especially the annulled of the partition of Bengal in 1911, because before that, when the partition of Bengal is done by the Lord Curzon, then Lord Curzon give the arguments, we want to changes the Muslim society, we want to improve the education, we want to remove the backwardness of the Muslim, but they again annulled the partition of Bengal. Okay, so Ali brother, Muhammad Ali, Abul Kalam Azad, Shaukat Ali, they all are again used this golden opportunity and brought the unity between the Muslims and meet to the Congress and signed the Pact of Lucknow in 1916. After that, role of liberal Muslim leaders. So many Muslim leaders never want to make a separate group for the Muslim society. They never want to two groups in India against the British. You know very well, in 1906, Muslim League was founded by Salimullah Khan and Aga Khan. But that time, some liberal Muslim never cooperate with the Muslim League. They know very well that the Britishers never want to change the backwardness, want to change the society of the Muslim. They never want to improve the education. Many of the liberal Muslims think that. So they always against the policy and program of the Muslim League. So the Muslim leaders, those who are liberal, not all, those who are liberal, they always make and prepare the awareness among the Muslim society. No need to pay the loyalty for the British government. They demand to the self-government. They demand to the self-government. So the liberal Muslim leader also play very important role for the Lucknow Pact. This is also very important causes. Amendment of League constitutions. So many after the annulled of the Bengal, after the First World War, so many changes is continue going on in the League constitution. Means the Muslim League also changed so many programs, so many demand in their charter, and these changes also brought the unity between the Muslim. Especially before that, before 1906, so many Muslims considered that Britishers are my friends. They improve the education, they remove the backwardness. But after the 1906, when the Muslim League was framed, the Britishers never want to improve the condition of the Muslim. So the Muslim leaders considered that no need to pay the loyalty with the British government, and they believe in the self-government. So this is also an important factor for the Lucknow Pact. And finally, In Lucknow session in 1916, many of the Muslim leaders, Congress, both group, moderate and radicals, they all are met together and make a common programs against the British government, and finally they signed the charter and they signed the pact in 1916. The Lucknow Pact is very important events in the history of India. After this session, the moderate, the radicals and the Muslim League, they all are fight against the British government. Means the three groups again unite them and fight against the British government. So my dear students, this is the main causes and main factor for the Lucknow Pact. Before that, we all are discussed about the Muslim League, partition of Bengal, radicals, moderate, nationalism in India, and the revolt of 1857. These all things are also come in your first term examinations. Now we all are discuss the next topic, the national movement and the Mahatma Gandhi, means the third phase of the national movement. So after tomorrow we all will discuss about that. Next topic, Mahatma Gandhi and the freedom struggle of India. Thank you.